shows posture. KDF believes in diplomacy, and our country believes in diplomacy. And our country does not react to tweets. We react to official government position. And I'm sure the same general has other tweets later. So I think KDF had no role to respond to that. Those who want to know the capability and the posture of Kenyan Defense Forces, they showed it in KDF Day last week. They will show it during Mashujaa Day the way they do in other days. So I think let's treat the tweets of the general with the content it deserves. We should not bother. And I think the Kenyan people on Twitter dealt with the general before even Foreign Affairs and KDF were to come in. Honorable Mbui, I think you need to, because you have a background of a general, your grandfather was a general,